In this video, you will learn how to supervise your network devices in the device catalog and KPI dashboard. In the device catalog page, you can find your network devices, Omni switches, and Stellar AP in the table. When you select the filter View All modules, all the modules and transceivers connected to your network devices are listed. You can find, for example, the SFP or GBIC connected to your Omni switches. Use the Management Mode filter to switch between your unmanaged and managed network devices. For each network device, scroll horizontally to review all the parameters, or use the Expand and Collapse button to summarize the table. When you select a network device, you can also mark it as in or out of production. This will help you to identify installed devices from the ones that will be placed in stock. To review a network device, use the button Additional Information and it will open a new window. You can find here basic information gathered by Fleet Supervision, including the device name, model, and serial number, and the in or out production status we marked earlier, the current software version, the management system of the device, the sales information, including the maintenance contract type, status, start and date, and end of sale and life information for this model. And under Update Time, you will know when the device was last seen by an OmniVista, and when this device was created and updated in the Fleet Supervision. You have also the ability to fill in a hardware exchange request with the second action button. You can create the request for the eligible devices with the following button. Complete all the required field of this form and submit the request. Only the network devices with the following maintenance contract are eligible for a hardware exchange request: OVC Premium, End Customer Support Software, and End Customer Support Plus. This button has three status: Creation of Hardware Exchange, as we just saw, Hardware Exchange Already Requested, and Device Not Eligible. In this case, we can scroll horizontally and see that the maintenance contract is already expired. You can find a menu Hardware Exchange Request, where all the requests already performed are listed here. You can find all the details for this device that you filled in earlier. Then, on the KPI dashboard, which is the landing page of the Fleet Supervision, the most meaningful metrics are compiled in pie charts and graphics. The absolute values are displayed in the pie chart, and the percentage value in the legend. If you need more explanations about a pie chart or graphic, or about the metrics you're looking at, press the Help button for an in-depth explanation. Each widget has its dedicated help page. We can get the status of the following metrics in pie charts: the hardware lifecycle, the maintenance and contract support, and the hardware support. And just below, the switch and AP models and versions, and the device type and graphic metrics. You can filter your graphic by clicking on the firmware version icons and check or uncheck the hardware models. You can also expand each graphic and filter in and out the software versions, and use the OmniSwitch model filter. In the AP model and versions widget, you can also use the same filters for the software version and AP model. It is also possible to click on any pie chart or graphic to display the list of devices associated to a category. The device type widget regroups both OmniSwitch and Stellar AP devices. In the alert menu, you can find all the alerts detected by Fleet Supervision in the selected time period. For example, here, we can see that invalid serial numbers have been detected. Click on an entry to expand it, and you will find the reason. Here, the serial numbers were too short. And in the menu Audit Logs, you can find all the actions performed by the administrators in Fleet Supervision. For example, you can find the creation of the management systems performed in the previous videos.